I wanted to talk to you tonight about exfoliators. So, why do you exfoliate? I have two of our most popular exfoliators that you would do 2 to 3 times a week in my hands. But why would you want to use these? The reason why you want to exfoliate is because your dead skin cells really build up and clog up your pores. So you really want to exfoliate like 2 to 3 times a week to slough them off so that your cells can rejuvenate and it creates a healthier, younger looking skin. So we have a couple choices. The two I have here tonight is one, it's a chemical one with glycolic acid, and that is our Radiance Repair Revealing Radiance Peel. And this one you just put on, and you leave it on for 10 minutes and take it off. So that is this one. Or we have the microdermabrasion, and which goes really well with the pore minimizer. So think of this one as a chemical one, and this one as a manual one. So with this one is the one I'm going to use today. This is the microdermabrasion. It's a more of a gritty feel. And as you can see, I would do this, you would want to do this with a damp skin, right? So you would want wet skin. So I'm just going to do an area of my face, and I'm just going to make sure I have damp skin when I do that. And you would just, and what it does is when the pores get clogged, they get, start to expand. So not only this helps with exfoliating, but it also helps with reducing the pore size. So these are just two. So in this case, you would just gently do circular motions, right? And what happens is it kind of like scoops out all the gunk that comes out, and then you would just rinse it off. Now you would not use this. If you were to use both of these products, you would not use them consecutively. You would have a few days in between, like Sunday, Wednesday, that sort of thing. So you wouldn't want to use them in combination with other exfoliators either. But it's a really healthy thing to do with your skin, especially now that everyone's skin is getting a little drier. It really, really adds, a much nicer way your skin will just feel really nice and smooth. Almost like a polished feel. Now with the microdermabrasion, the perfect complement to that would be our pore minimizer. Now it comes in as a set. The microdermabrasion with the pore minimizer. So as the microdermabrasion opens things up and cleans them out, the pore minimizer actually reduces the pores, and it has a calming extract in it, and you can just put that on top of it, and it just feels so nice, and your skin feels really smooth and just polished. So if you haven't tried one of these, let me know, and I can send you a sample. Which one would you like to try? The Radiance facial peel, or the microdermabrasion and the pore minimizer? So let me know. Thanks!